大家好，我是汤老师. Today we are talking about something so important to learning Chinese, and it's so foreign to non-native speakers. What it is are measure words. So whenever you're talking about something specific, you use a measure word in Chinese. Measure words are various characters that are kind of a filler. They do have meanings by themselves, but in this case, it's more of a filler. You're connecting a number with a noun, so something extremely specific. So I've given examples here. So we have our number column, our measure word column, and our noun column. Okay? So under the number column is, you're talking about something specific. This uses for a in Chinese, so a person. And that's my example that I put here. 一个人. Ge by itself means each. So one each person. 一个人. And this ge right here, I'm going to circle it because there are so many measure words in Chinese. As a non-native speaker, it's something you have to learn over time. But your default, if you cannot remember a measure word, use ge. Just throw it in there. You'll sound foreign, but you are. So it's okay. So 一个人, one person. The next one example I have is 一杯茶, a cup of tea. 一 means one, 杯 means cup, 茶 means tea. Okay? Then your last one is 三本书, 3. And this by itself means basis. However, in this case, you're talking about books. So 三本书, shu is books, 3 books. So just to review, number plus measure word plus noun. You also use it when you're talking about the pronouns this and that, because you're talking about something specific. This pen, that book, those kind of things. You have to have a measure word in there. So your pronoun follows the same rule. You have pronoun plus your measure word plus the noun. So the measure word will always go in front of the noun. So the example I have here is 这个学生, this each student. So this student is what you're saying. 这个学生. So and whenever you're translating, the measure word doesn't even get translated. It's just there as something specific. This last example I have for 那, which means that, is 那个好看老师, that each good-looking teacher. So that good-looking teacher. 当然. So once again, just to review for your measure words, you put it before the noun, after the specific number. Number plus measure word plus noun. And once again, if you can't remember what the measure word is, because we'll be learning tons of measure words over the next few years, you use ge. Okay, that's your default. Hopefully you've learned something today. It's been fun for me. See you next time. 下次见.
Brought to you by Tom Marshall Productions.